Welcome to Street Stunning, and today we're taking the skidster to the job site. It's starting to snow here in Colorado, and it's time to make some money. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
What's that noise?
Does he siempre the fuel?
Huh?
The fuel? When they're cold like that?
Ahora.
Se va a poner a trabajar el amarillote, come out.
A ver si sirve la chingadera.
Yes, sir.
It's fucking cold, dude.
It has to work. Motherfuckers do. Looks like you guys, you polished it. Ours is all dirty.
Is it?
Yeah,
I
man.
washed it the other day.
Oh, you washed it?
Yeah, I just washed it before it's... Well, es que le iba a meter al garage, dije lo voy a lavar, ¿para qué?
Oh.
Ya. Ahorita lo saqué y metí la escle para que...
¿Dónde fregó el de este, no?
Yeah, fuck. It's because I took it out to grind because it wouldn't scrape the ice. You know the
Oh, yeah, yeah.
the scraper for the windows?
Yeah.
I grinded it down so it would have a sharp edge. Y sí, se dio bien suave.
Y el de este no se quedó.
No, me salió mejor. I should have just bought one. Yeah. ¿Ella la brake?
No, pues es igual como el de
Oh, okay.
Do you still got the straps that I let you borrow?
Oh, that's what I forgot to tell you.
¿Qué le decir we forgot the chains. What up? Se le prendió eso del aero for high voltage. Pero si jala. ¿Ya? Jala. It's too clean, huh?
Te métase sin miedo. You think it's... Damn. I didn't know you guys had a dump trailer like that too.
También.
¿Para qué la usan?
Ah, pues no, we bought it, pero it's too heavy, bro. This heavy.
Is it?
Heavy. No, sí se aplastan las pinches trocas para traerla. Se la vamos a vender a mi cuñado.
Oh, because he does all that concrete shit
The
up.
concrete shit, pero he really don't use it. He really uses us more. He uses us more with the trucks, with the dump trucks.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Let's get it. Snow season coming up.
Do you have like special gear to clean the snow? Like clothes, like
Con las
toe
botas que
hurts?
trae mi carnal, las botas and just some, pues sabes que si le jala bien el heater, it should be good. You're not gonna be getting off.
Do you think I need to buy a diesel for this?
Oh, sí lo puedo. I'm gonna bring the problem. Nomás que like my brother, he just cleaned it and he waxed it.
Oh, he's on that shit.
He's like, no, ni madre, güey. Ahora he's like, ni madre.
Hold on, let me go get the strap.
Perfect.
Shout out to Santianos. Thank you for taking the skid to the job. Es que ya no quiere prender esa madre.
¿Ah?
Se me hace que ya no quiere prender esa madre.
¿No quiso?
Él está muy mueve. ¿Qué? ¿No prende?
¿Ah?
Denle. ¿No prende? Shut up.
What happened?
He said the key don't want to turn. Huh?
It says engine speed limit or some shit.
What? Ya empezamos. Digo. Ya, porque ni se oye.
No se oye que los fans ni nada, por eso. Engine speed something.
Oh, no, it's the. Maybe it's because the heater's on.
Y yo. Se te... Es que usted sí la sabe.
¿Le doy pa' enfrente? Do I pick up the bucket? Oh, ya está picked up. Okay. Wrong button. Madre, está bien frío.
Sure? Yes, sir. It's a big one.
¿Ya lo baja o lo bajo? Le meto un putazo.
Dale, dale, dale.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I don't know, this shit's making a noise.
The little tick, 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 tick.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
The pump is cold.
Think? I really hope so. Se me hace que esta madre me va a salir con una sorpresa.
No se le va a olvidar la llave, ya sabes.
No,
Se le vaya a olvidar la llave ahí en la casa.
no, I'll keep it in the truck. No, no cabemos por ahí, not me.
Where are they gonna want us to plow the snow to? Huh? Where? That's what we have to wash it out. Pero, ¿qué te decía? I think the best idea would be right here. Like all this right here, put it right here. All this put it right here, not too much on the pants. So we can
Pero
have
que no es la ex por allí.
There had to be a spot back there. Well, you can put some right there. No, mira, allá atrás donde están los barricades esos. But that's too bad, bro. Pero para jalar la vida para atrás. That's good at the back. Ahí se puede poner un spot. Gotta come and walk it.
Yeah.
Gotta come and walk it a huevo. Woo!
Digo,
Disaster. We'll be back again. ¿Pedo?
¿pero?
Ahí pasó de Antonio.
Ya,
Imagínate para que le entres. Cuando queda de vuelta para adentro, cuando va saliendo, no entrando. Y ese güey se lo comieron. Nah, but we'll just kind of walk it. We'll kind of walk it. The ticket's already here. What should we do? Should we call those guys for the pushers or?
I don't know, you tell me. The ones here or the ones
Huh?
in Nebraska?
Well, the guys in Nebraska told me like 1,200 for the pullbacks.
If you want to go,
That's cheap.
go. I'll pay for the fuel.
Nomás que, ¿cómo se llama lo que le iba a decir? It's like 5 hours and a half. I told the guy if he could bring him closer. He was like, yeah, pero till tomorrow. Or should we just risk it like that y aventarnos así sin the pusher?
Well, it's up to you, but I say,
Sin the pusher,
porque también para ir para allá, we're 10 hours, you see.
Yeah.
If we don't come back in time and it really starts coming down, pues entonces sí van a estar pissed off.
no, que estén cerradas las carreteras.
Yeah.
Nah, f it. Let's just wait. Let's see. Es windy. Yeah. Ya, pues ya vamos a tener que aventarla así. But I'm down. I mean, I'll pay for the fuel and some of the stuff, whatever you want me.
No, pero es que de eso no se trata que...
Nah, pero también, you know, pues...
Mira, un pinche locker. I thought I was tripping.
Damn.
Still good. Still good.
Está barrido.
¿Oh, sí? Oh, no, está bueno. Still good. Pick this shit up. ¿Qué le iba a decir Nah, let's just wait, let's see what's up. Either way, si nos pone una pinche ya, pues ni pedo.
No,
We'll
pues
tell
if
them
you
que
want.
they didn't let us pues, bring in the equipment. I'm not gonna leave the pusher outside.
Sí que se van a parar.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Y si nos dicen algo, pues no, too late. La chingada. Fuck it.
It's up to you, dude.
Let's
I
just
mean,
wing
do you
it like
want to
that.
go right now? Is that what you wanted to do?
Well, the guy said he could probably bring it like 2 hours closer, pero fuck that, va a estar muy full traffic. De los freeways. I'm not scared of that.
It's up
I'm
to
scared
you.
of not coming back early on time para
Yeah, to do the...
start plowing like that.
It's almost... If it does come down, I don't think it's going to be crazy.
Nah.
And then,
Si metemos horas. Hey. No, sí.
Plus, even if we have to take, you know, work a couple hours for free or whatever the case.
No.
But, well, since we don't have the pusher, you know, to make up for the difference.
Yeah, pero es que el pusher sí es cierto. Pues para cuando cae mucha, like, over 4 inches.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Nah.
We're good, yeah. No, let me know. We'll fucking head out.
Nah. Si quiere entonces más al rato, we'll come and we'll walk it. My brother's gonna be with you.
Okay.
So he can show you what's up.
Okay.
We'll come and walk it, luego ya usted más al rato para que se venga junto con mi carnal, se ven well, my brother's gonna come in his truck and ya usted se viene en la suya. Y aquí ya más o menos se ponen a comprar los dos.
Okay.
¿Cómo ve?
¿Está bien? ¿Está
Let's
bien?
get it. Mejor porque está frío.
Bueno, pues.
Look at me, I'm tanned out.
Ahora pues, thank you. Ahora.